Well, just into the WJZ newsroom, a circuit court judge has ruled Baltimore could receive an additional $100 million in its lawsuit against two drug companies for their contributions to the opioid crisis in the city. But that is still significantly less than what was originally awarded at trial. Ashley Paul has more on how we got here.
I believe that it is integral to the success of our city on this issue that we talk about it openly.
It's an issue that has been plaguing Baltimore for years, and especially following a mass overdose event at Penn North that sent 27 people to the hospital. Baltimore City Councilman Mark Conway says it's a group effort to address.
That we get folks out of the shadows and out of, some of the difficulties and shames that come with addiction.
He made these statements at a July 29th Public Safety Committee hearing, just over a week before the city was faced with a deadline to decide whether to accept a reduced settlement in a case against two major drug companies, McKesson and AmerisourceBergen. According to our media partners at the Baltimore Banner, federal drug dispensing data shows the two companies supplied about 60% of the $500 million opioids that flooded Baltimore City and Baltimore County between 2006 and 2019. A jury ruled the two companies contributed to the opioid crisis, punishable by a $266 million settlement. But a judge later ruled the jury put too much blame on the companies and reduced that settlement by 80%, down to $52 million. The city has already reached settlements from other companies totaling $402.5 million, money that has been placed into a restitution fund to fight the crisis.
It's not until we have these opportunities to learn about how we got here, learn about what we're already doing about it, and then learn about what we plan to do about it that we identify those additional nooks and crannies and gaps.
The other option given by the judge is for the city to opt for a new trial. A statement put out by Baltimore Mayor Brandon Scott in June reads in part, quote, "As the only municipality in the country to secure verdicts against these two companies, which were responsible for the bulk of the opioids flooding into Baltimore, we will continue to fight, just as we have fought for our city every step of the way through this litigation process," end quote.
That was Ashley Paul reporting. So in all, if the city takes the deal, it could walk away with around $152 million. In a statement to WJZ, the mayor's office says in part, and I'm quoting, "We have received the court's abatement ruling and are considering all options at this time. We remain committed to securing justice for all Baltimore residents disproportionately impacted by the opioid crisis."